Hello kids. We're gonna show you lots of eggs today.
Yeah, we're gonna show you all the eggs to kids. Okay, we're gonna open the Sorpresa egg and the Peppa Pig egg and the Princess egg and the Mario egg and the colored eggs.
Now we'll be opening these colorful eggs.
Yeah.
And there's a Winnie Pooh inside, and it has pajamas on, and it has a pink shirt and a blue hat.
I think I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna open the red egg, and we're gonna open what's inside. It's a Mickey Mouse again. It's a Mickey Mouse again. And it got little ears, and look at the back, it got a little tiny tail. And it got legs and ears and the black nose and the little shoes and the red pajamas.
Now we'll be opening a giant egg.
Oh, that is mine.
And there's a Batman inside.
Yeah.
And it's colored blue. Now we'll be opening a Superman figure. This is a Superman, and it has a red cape and a blue.
And my action figure.
Now next one.
We're gonna open Silver Giant Egg, and now we're gonna open it. And now there's a little Sonic, and he's so golden, and the color is yellow, and the tummy is too orange, and the hand is too white, and the nose is too black, and the eyes too white, and these eyeballs too black and white on it, and the back is it got wings. The back is it got that wings and that stops on the head and the tail, and the colors choose is red, white, and yellow. And the next one is it's a normal stomach, and it's blue, and the tummy is this yellow, and the hand is the black, and the back is you got the tail and the wing, and the shoes is red, white, and yellow, and the soft things.
Now we'll be opening a purple egg. And there's a little squirrel inside.
Mine look good. Why are you laughing? Okay, and now we're gonna open the yellow egg and we see inside. And
it's a monster inside, and it's blue and it's purple spots.
That is a monster from in Monster Anniversaries from, and he got pots, purple pots, and he blue.
Now we'll be opening an orange egg, and we'll be opening it.
3, 4.
And there's Mike Wazowski inside, and it's green.
From Monster Anniversary too. We're gonna open the green egg, and we're gonna open it. We see inside. is the little mouse, and look, it can do. It's a mouse, and it got pink ears.
It's a pig.
It's
from
a pig.
Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, and it got pink shirt, and the arm is orange, and the ears so pink, and the eyes so black, and teeth so black, and the mouth is so red. Look, it can do. You move your head down and down.
Now I'll be opening a pink egg. And there's a little Minnie inside.
It's a girl.
And it has a red bow. And she's a girl. She has
and he got little forts.
Now
we're gonna open the blue egg, and now we're gonna open it what's inside. It's Shinka in Winnie the Pooh, and the stripe is in black, and the body, the hand is yellow, and the nose too pink, and that is too orange, and
now I'll be opening a green egg. And it has a little Mickey inside. And he has red trousers.
And he got the black shoes. You took off some ears. And him, we open the Mickey, and we open the monster too. We open 2 Sonics, and we open Superman,
and we open Winnie Pooh and Tigger and a pig
and Mickey Mouse and
Spider-Man.
Batman.
Brother, which eggs are left over?
That.
And what is it?
It's the Mario and the princess and the Saffron and the Peppa Pig.
And which egg do you want to open first?
Saffron.
Okay.
I'll open it.
Open it. Brother, open it.
Okay.
Move from the camera. Now my brother's opening a Transformers egg. And there's chocolate inside.
And I'm gonna open it.
And inside is there.
Let's take a picture. What is it?
And this is the flyer.
Yeah.
Flyer, and it has the instruction how to make it. And the other bit says.
And it's showing us all the robots they got.
And this is the other flyer. And these are the things that you make for the toy.
And I'm gonna make it.
And these are the chocolate inside.
Yeah. And
now I'll eat it. We built the Transformer toy with this instruction. And this is the Transformer toy.
Easy.
And this is the back of
I
it.
will hold it.
And this is the front of
I will
it.
hold it. And look at that. And with our arms can move. And look at that red things. And look at the head. And look at that in the back. You got the wheel and the legs. the wings and the horns.
Now which one, brother?
The Mario one.
Okay.
I can open it.
And it's a blue egg.
Yeah.
Now we'll open it.
I said, what is it?
And there's a sticker of Mario and a little game
Yeah.
and some star candies.
And now we open it and how to play it.
Now we'll open it.
We can eat the candy.
This is the Mario toy what we open, and this is how you play it. Like if you put the ball in this, you get 30 points, and if you get it in this, you get 20 points, and if you get in this, you get 10 points. And you shoot it like this. So you can know. Let's clean it up so we can open another egg. Now, which egg do you want to open, brother?
The Peppa Pig.
Okay. Now I'll be opening it. And there's a yellow egg.
And I'm gonna open it.
And there's some jelly beans inside.
Yeah, and the color is the pink and yellow.
And there's some stickers.
Yeah. And there's another that.
And there's a flyer.
It's showing us all the different things we got.
And this is the toy. It's a little magnet.
Yeah. We can put it on the freezer.
Now I will clean it up again.
And we're gonna open another egg.
Now which egg should we open?
The princess.
Okay.
I can open it. Can I open it?
Okay, we'll open it.
We opened Transformers and the Mario one, and now we're gonna open Princess.
And there's a little sticker inside of some
And the Peppa
three
Pig.
princesses. And there's some heart candies.
Yeah. And a toy inside.
And there's a little ring.
Yeah. It's a ring and it got a picture on it.
Now I'll open it.
And we should put it on in the finger. I can put it on in the finger. I can put it on the finger. Stop.
And this is a flyer.
Yeah, and there are lots of different things we got.
Now we'll clean it up. Now there's no more eggs to open. Please subscribe my channel.
And like my video and comment below. And bye.
And goodbye. And bye for now.
And bye.